Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Substack for publishing productivity systems, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Substack website. Locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click the next button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Substack. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Substack website to complete your registration. Create a password for your new account. After setting your password, click Create Account to proceed. You will be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in the required fields, such as your name and bio. Consider adding a profile picture to personalize your account. Next, you can choose a subscription plan. Select either the free or paid option based on your needs. After selecting a plan, click Continue to move forward. You'll see a dashboard to manage your subscriptions. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features and options. To discover existing publications, browse through the library. Use the search bar to find specific topics or writers. Click on any publication that interests you for more details. If it's a paid publication, you'll need to enter your payment details. Follow the prompts to complete your subscription order. Customize your preferences for how often you wish to receive updates. Now, you're all set to start engaging with content on Substack. Explore your subscriptions and enjoy the reading experience. Consider interacting with writers through comments and feedback. Every time you find something valuable, make a note for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.